Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to go over three stocks that I believe are good to trade or to watch at least. Actually, one of them is pretty good to trade or to buy now. Um, and before I do that, if you guys find value in my videos, then it will be good if you subscribe to the channel so that you get the videos as soon, or you can see the videos as soon as I upload them. I try to upload videos every day about the stocks that are good to watch or to trade right now. Like even that first stock that I'm going to show you is very good to trade right now or to buy right now. So if you see value, please subscribe. You can also like and comment the video, and also you can sign up to Webull, which is this app, using the link in the description below. It's a great app. They can, like, if you sign up using the link in the description below, you get 2 free stocks, I believe. At least they may even be more. All what you need is sign up using the link below and deposit $100, I believe, for a month maybe, and that's how you can get 2 free stocks. And they can even be like Facebook or Apple, so it's a very good deal, and it's beneficial for me as well. So let's get started. So the first stock is UIHC, which is a very good stock to trade now, and here's the reason for what I think. Um, so you can see, like, there is a point here and there is a point here where the price never closed above this point, and I kind of consider this one also as like a resistance point or a point. So you can say like 1, 2, and kind of 3. You can see that the price here closed above, like almost at the high of the day, which means that it's going up strong, and it closed. It has a green candle today. It closed at the high of the day, even though the market itself went down pretty significantly. So that means that this stock is really strong, and it's even opposing the indices and what happened in the market today. So it tells me that this is a great buy now, and it may go up really high. And the reason for that is the float is 20 million. So that's quite a low float, which makes me believe that it can go high, really high in a very short period of time. And it clearly broke the resistance today. Um, you can look at the volume for today. Also, it's 256, quarter a million, which is about 2 times the average volume. So there is volume. So that's a good thing too. So it went high. It closed above the resistance at the high of the day, even though the market went down today and the flow is low. There is a volume, so everything seems to me very good, very good. I wouldn't say perfect. If it would have been perfect if like the price maybe closed here, but maybe it's really good. It's really good. I would buy it maybe a little bit down there. Hopefully it goes to the resistance. It may not go to the resistance and keep going up, so I'm not sure about that. But it seems like there will be movement on this stock, and I'm expecting the movement to go up. And this stock is trading now at 6.46 dollars per share, and or the aftermarket 6.45. Um, so that's what it is. And here there seems like, yeah, there was an earnings call today, and that's what made the price go up. Um, there is a dividend too that will be paid soon. Here are some financials. Based on 4 analysts, it's a hold, but I don't care really about them. I don't know when they give this overview or um, this review, and I don't know if it's accurate or not. Maybe they're biased, but it's something to show. And this stock pays dividend actually. Okay, that's good. So it should go up to, if it pays dividend, that means that it's a decent stock as well. And insiders buying activity. There are options available for this stock too. So if you like options, you can trade options. And on Webull, and Webull does not charge any commission for trading options or the stock itself. And I believe even crypto is zero commission. Anyway, here is some information about the company. So yeah, and let's go to the next one, which is MKD, and its symbol is MKD. It's called molecular data. It's trading now at 1.49 or 1.58 in the aftermarket hours. Um, its volume today is 2.48. It's less than the average volume. The float is 111 million. It's actually not a low float. I wouldn't consider that a low float. But the reason why I included this stock is that I feel like it seems like there was a resistance here at this line based on this point, that point, that point, that point, and it clearly broke that resistance and it now retracted. And it's like the first or second day to be close to the resistance or to the support. This was a resistance previously, but now it should be a support. So it's the second day to retract to that support. So it might be a good option to buy, like a good time to buy now, since it just broke this resistance recently and it should retract. I don't know, it's not the best setup that I would trade, but I wanted to show you that because I felt it retracted to the resistance. Um, and I talked about the information about this stock. No news for today. Analysis, corporate actions. And there are no options available. And here's some information about that company. Molecular data, it's in China. You can see all the information here. And yeah, I drew this resistance based on these points, 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like it should be at strong resistance, and because it was broken, then it should be now a support, so the price should go up. But it's not the best setup, is what I would say. And also, like, you can see that the price actually started going up too. It went up in the aftermarket hours. Not a lot of volume, but yeah. Okay, let's go to the third and last stock. But before I do that, if you guys, I upload videos every day about the stocks or the good stocks that I feel like are good to watch or to trade now. So if you like that content, please subscribe to the channel to be able to view the video as soon as I upload it or get notified of it. You can also like the video and comment. Let me know if you like what I'm going over. If you want me to go over something else, you want me to review, to go over a certain piece of information. Let me know, and you can also sign up using the link in the description below. That's if you want to get free stocks on Webull. Webull is a great app. I like it. It's simple. It's easy to use. I kind of never really had a problem with it. Even I believe at one time I had a problem with it where my trade was not executed, and I contacted them and they refunded my money. So it's a great app. I like it. I like the people that are working for it or on it. So it's great. You can, and if you like it, or even if you have an account, you can get a second account and sign up using the link in the description below, so that you can get the free stocks. All what you need is sign up using the link below and deposit $100 and keep it for, I believe, 30 days like at most, or at least, I mean. And that's how you can get free stocks, and they can be really good stocks like Facebook and Apple, or even Google. They said also it can be Google. And I don't want to waste your time, so let's get to the third stock. It's Farm. That's a symbol. Farmer Pros. And that stock. So it's also not the best stock that I would trade, to be honest. And the reason is that I kind of think that this is the resistance line or resistance area. It's not just a line. So that's why I included that stock in here. You can see there is a point here. There is a point here. There is a point here, uh, and the price today closed above the high that it has ever reached in 6 or 8 months now, I believe 7 8 months. So it closed at that high. So that's why I feel like it may go up, especially that the float is low. It has 15.2 million shares as a float, so that's low. The volume for today is 3 times the average volume. So I feel like this stock can actually go up. And you can see that it went up on the day 10% or 11%, and the aftermarket hours now it's at 3.41%. So there isn't a lot of volume in the aftermarket hours, but I think that this stock can go up based on the float and it closing at the high that it has ever reached in 6 or 7 months. So that's why I wanted to introduce that stock. It's called Farmer Bros, or the symbol is farm, and there was news about it apparently. You can look that up or check Google. And based on 2 analysts, it's a hold. Here are some stuff, and options, brief. Here's some information about the company. It's in United States, California, and that's the stock. And I like the best stock is the first stock that I viewed from my point of view. It's a really good stock. UI, the one that I viewed first or went over first. That's the stock that I like now because I feel like there was a resistance here, there was a point here, and it broke it clearly today. There is volume, low float, so it's a good stock, is what I feel. And so if you guys like like my review or the stocks that I went over, please like and subscribe to view my videos as soon as I upload them too. If you see value, you can also comment and let me know what you think, what you like, what you dislike. And you can sign up using the link in the description below to Webull if you like Webull, or if you want to get free stocks. Like who doesn't like getting free stuff, right? So you can do that. And I hope that you enjoyed the video, and best of luck to you all.